So here's a question, a reasoning question that looks like something we've done before. It's finding the equation of a straight line, but there is the midpoint involved as well. So this line passes through the midpoint of A and B, and the gradient of -3 is given. So the line does not pass through A, nor does it pass through B. So what do? Well, you find the midpoint. How do you find the midpoint again? Well, the key word is to average, right? Average the coordinates. So the x coordinate of the midpoint is going to be the average of -2 and another -2. I wonder what that is. -2 plus -2 over 2. I bet that's -2. Very difficult. Then I need to average the y coordinates. The y coordinate of the midpoint is going to be the average of 5 and 3. That's 8 over 2, makes it 4. So the midpoint is -2, 4. So now I have a gradient of -3, and I know a point where this line is going to. So now I've got my choice again. Either I use y equals -3x plus c, because I know the gradient is -3, and I'm going to substitute in that point m, which means it's going to be 4 equals -3 times -2 plus c, which gives me c. Can we solve this? -3 times -2, that's 6. 6 goes to the other side, it becomes -6. 4 take away 6 is -2. C equals -2. Hence the line is y equals -3x take 2. Yeah. Or I use the gradient formula and I say y take that y coordinate of m, that's 4, over x take the x coordinate of that midpoint, -2, must be the gradient, because this is the gradient formula, and the gradient is -3. Rewriting that and cross multiplying makes it -3x, -3 times x, -3 times a +2, that's -6, equals y take 4. Rearranging that, the y goes to the left, all the ordinary numbers go to the right. -3x take y equals -4 plus 6, 2. So there's a different representation of that same line.